This might change how traders use prop firms. At FundedNext, this has just replaced the entire dashboard and nobody's talking about it. They just launched something called MCP. MCP lets you talk to your trading account just like talking to your friend. As you see in this PDF, this is the official release of the MCP. And when you scroll down to page 9, you will find a link that is gonna take you direct to this AI tool. So this is how I connected my account to MCP in under 2 minutes. So you're gonna use this link in this PDF like I've shown you and reach the MCP page. So I used this link as provided in the PDF I have shown you and I reached the MCP page. So I scrolled down and you can see a variety of AIs, ChatGPT, Claude AI and others. But for me, I have made a choice to use Claude AI. So I'm gonna come to Claude AI website, click on my name like you see down here and then go to settings. I will then scroll down to connectors, then click add and choose add custom connector. Here we insert FundedNext as our name. Then we come back to MCP page and copy MCP server. Then come back to Claude AI and insert it as our remote MCP server URL. Then tap connect. This will send an authorization request to FundedNext. Therefore we click allow access. After this, you can see that Claude AI is now connected to our FundedNext account. So let's go ahead and test it. So I'm gonna ask it a question. Please check my account on FundedNext and tell me the loss I have so far and what I need to make the profit target needed. Then Claude AI goes through my account and tells me what I need. Just like you see, Claude AI has responded. Your starting balance is 200,000, current balance 196,941,000, and my total loss is $358. Today specifically, you're down $42. So you have 9,957,000 daily loss room left today. Your profit target is 10,000, meaning equity must reach 210,000 for me to hit my profit target. So let's go ahead and ask another question. Can I trade news on FundedNext account? So Claude AI will take some time as usual and again response. Yes, you can trade news on FundedNext, but the rules change depending on which stage of account you are on. Here is their breakdown from their official page. You can then go ahead and read through. Let's ask Claude AI another good question. What positions are open on my account and how much profit or loss am I having and how much room do I have left for my daily drawdown? Just like you see, I have 70.1 lots open and they are gold positions. Let's see what Claude AI tells us. So Claude AI responds, here is your live picture, bro. Open positions, 70 trades, all ZAW USD buy, 0.1 lots, each 0.7 lots total. So you can see Claude AI automatically matches what is happening on my account. Drawdown left, you can lose 17,035 from current equity before hitting the 180,000 max loss floor. Let's go ahead and ask Claude AI another good question. What are the rules for the 50K Stellar 2-step challenge? So just as usual, Claude will take some time, think about it, and checking through the FundedNext rules, and then it's going to give us all the information and rules for the 50K Stellar 2-step challenge. So So if I ask Claude AI one final question, let's ask it, am I eligible to reset my 200k account, and how much does it cost? So as you see, Claude AI is going to go through FundedNext and check for this information. Straight answer, no. You don't have a 200k account. Your only 200k is a free trial, and free trials aren't resettable. Yes, the AI is right, because the account I showed you is a trial FundedNext account. But Claude AI goes ahead and shows me all my breached accounts and how much money I need to reset each of the accounts. So, my fellow FundedNext traders, we don't need to check the dashboard anymore. Just connect your trading account to Claude AI. So in the comments, tell me whether you are willing to connect your FundedNext account to FundedNext MCP. And don't forget to share this video to your friends.